Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and staying ahead of the game with all the crazy changes happening in the digital marketing world. Today, I want to dive into something that's been buzzing around a lot lately: the growing concerns about AI-generated content and how it might impact your website rankings, traffic, and SEO strategy in the future. And I'm also going to be reviewing a tool that's supposed to solve this very issue, ByPaiss. If you haven't heard the rumors yet, there's been a lot of chatter about AI content potentially getting penalized by Google. Yes, you heard me right. There's been speculation that Google could start penalizing websites that use AI-generated content. This is a big deal for marketers and website owners, right? We've seen this happen before with other SEO tactics. Think back to times when things like keyword stuffing, low-quality backlinks, and duplicate content were all penalized. As AI tools like ChatGPT and others become more mainstream and easier to use, the possibility of AI content facing penalties seems more likely. Now, to be clear, Google has officially said that they're not penalizing AI content, at least not right now. But here's the catch: they are still prioritizing content quality. And that's where it gets a bit tricky. As AI tools improve and more people start using them to generate content, Google is going to have to figure out what's high-quality content and what's just AI-generated fluff. The question is, will they penalize content that's created by AI but lacks that human touch? It's a gray area, and we really don't know what the future holds. Enter ByPaiss, a platform that claims to make AI content undetectable and of such high quality that it's practically impossible to tell it was written by a machine. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. ByPaiss is marketed as a tool that can take any AI-generated content, whether it's written by ChatGPT, Jasper, or another AI tool, and elevate it to a doctorate-level quality. The idea is that it not only improves the quality of the content, but also ensures that it passes through AI detection tools undetected, making it seem like it was written by a human. It's a game changer for anyone using AI to generate content, but especially for those who are worried about AI penalties down the road. So, how does it work? It's actually pretty simple and user-friendly. There are 3 steps to get your content supercharged. The first step is to log into the web-based dashboard. Now, this is important because ByPaiss is entirely web-based, meaning you don't need to download any software or deal with complicated setups. As long as you have a browser and an internet connection, you're good to go. Next, you choose the level of quality you want your content to be. The app gives you 3 options: high school, college, or doctorate level. Depending on your niche or the kind of content you're producing, you can choose the quality that best suits your needs. Whether you're creating blog posts, marketing copy, or other types of content, ByPaiss ensures that it meets the standard you're aiming for. And here's the kicker: it also asks you how you plan to use the content, so it knows whether you're writing for a general blog post or something more specific like a marketing piece. This customization really seems to make the process smoother and more efficient. Finally, you hit the bypass button and the app does its magic. It rewrites and enhances your content in seconds, not only making it higher quality but also undetectable as AI generated. That's right, your content will have a human-like touch that satisfies both the readers and the search engines. It sounds almost too good to be true, but I've taken a look at some examples. And honestly, the quality is impressive. The writing reads naturally, with no awkward phrasing or robotic-sounding sentences, which is something that often gives AI-generated content away. One of the coolest features is that it also includes a WordPress plugin. This is a real game changer if you're running a blog or website on WordPress. The plugin allows you to automatically update, improve, and rewrite your existing content, ensuring that your entire site stays fresh and in line with current SEO best practices. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds like a shortcut. Doesn't Google reward original human-written content? and I totally get that concern. The key here is that ByPaiss is not about producing low-effort content that's going to trick the system. It's about improving AI-generated content so that it meets the quality standards that Google and other search engines are looking for. Google wants content that adds value, provides insights, and answers questions. If your AI content meets those criteria and passes as human quality, you're likely going to be in the clear. But back to the elephant in the room, the potential for penalties. As I said earlier, while Google hasn't penalized AI content yet, it's something that could happen in the future. With ByPaiss, the idea is to be ahead of the curve. You can create AI content with confidence, knowing that it's not only high quality but also undetectable. That's a huge weight off your shoulders if you're relying on AI to create content for your business or blog. All in all, ByPaiss seems like a solid tool for anyone who's serious about using AI-generated content without the risk of penalties. It streamlines the process, boosts the quality, and most importantly, helps you stay safe from potential AI-related SEO risks. If you're using AI for content creation, this might be the tool you need to ensure your content stands out and passes the test for quality and human-like authenticity. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll drop a link below with more details. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.